Hello students, welcome to Technical Math VPN channel, and in this video I will show you how to find higher common factor by first of all prime factorization method and by division method. I will solve these two questions in this video. I hope so after watching this video you will not be confused while finding the HCF by prime factorization and by division method. So let's start with by prime factorization. So prime factor of 30 is 2 1s are and 2 5s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5. Find the prime factors of 45 and it will divide on 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and you can see that 5 1s are 5. Now prime factors of 75 is, we can divide on 3. 3 2s are 7, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. So now it will divide on 5. 5 5s are, and you can see that 5 1s are. So prime factors of 30 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Prime factors of 45 are 3 multiply 5. Now prime factors of 75 are 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. Here guys, you have to notice over here which factor is common in these three prime factorizations. So if we see that 3 is here, 3 is also in this question, and 3 is also in this question. So this is common in both in all the values. 2 is here, and in this factors 2 is not available. 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. So 5 is also the common factor in these. So you can see that 3 and 5, we have to multiply common factors, that is 15. So the HCF of these numbers 30, 45 and 75 is 15. This is the highest common factor that will divide all these values. If you want to check, then 30, 5 2s are 15 2s are 30, completely divide. 45, 15 3s are 45, 0, and 75. You can see that 15 5s are 75, and this is the highest factor 15 that will divide all these values. Now we have to solve this by division method, so your sense would be clear. Here factors are 30, 45 and 75. So guys, first of all, one concept is this is smaller value, this is greater from 30, and this is the highest value in this question. So first of all, you have to take 15 as dividend, you can say, and the smaller number from 75, that is 45, would be the divisor. Fine. So divide 75 with 45, multiply 45 with 1. 45 1s are 45, and 45 2s are 90. So it will restrict to 1. 9. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 3 4 is 3. Line here, and now in division method this value will be would become dividend. So 30 ones are 30. Same method will be devised here. 5 minus 0 0, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And in this situation now 30 would be dividend. 30. Now multiply 15 with 2. 15 twos are 30. 0. And this is the number 15 would completely divide this 30. And we started from 75, so it will end upon 15. Now take this 30. Take this 30, and this 30 would be divided from this 15. In this case 30 is the dividend and 15 is the divisor, and this value is remainder, and 15 twos are 30. 0. This is the remainder, and this point is called quotient. So guys, you can see from this question 15 is the highest common factor of these numbers. In the previous question we also solved that 15 is the highest common of these numbers, and the last question we did with prime factorization, and this question we did with division method, and both the method are okay, the same answer. And keep in mind, if the examiner asks you have solved this find HCF by prime factorization, then you have to do the previous method. If the examiner asks to do this question find HCF by division method, then you have to follow this method. I hope so you student got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. Thanks for watching this video.